name is I'm going to give you a tour of our cabin. So my roommate is not here right now, so I'm going to show you the cabin, and then we're going to go see a show. So come with me, and let's do a tour of our cabin. So the Koningsdam is a newer ship, and I kind of like the decorations that we have in here. So we come in, and we've got our beds, and you can see we've got twin beds, so that's great. Here we've got the TV above the beds, so we can see what's going on. Then I come this way, and I've got a small sofa, and I assume that this sofa is a pull-out bed because that's what it kind of looks like and feels like, but that's great. And above the sofa, you've got some storage space. Over here, we've got our balcony, which will be really nice for Hawaii. We can sit out there on warm days. Right now, we're just looking at the skyline of Vancouver. Actually, West Vancouver is what we're seeing now. I think you can see the Lionsgate Bridge off in the distance there. So let's turn around in the cabin, and we've got our desk and our mirror, and there's me, which is nice. So here's an adjoining door, so if I had another party, we could have one big room. Come this way, and you can take a look at the room. So I like this little mini bar here, and I want to show you that right here I've got my 1950s Holland America doll, and his name is Hal, and he comes on some of the ships with us, so he's fun to have. It's kind of a fun little keepsake of Holland America. And then come this way, and we've got lots of closet space, as you can see. We like that. And here's our bathroom, and this bathroom, instead of having a bathtub, has a shower, so I like that. So here's our bathroom, pretty standard for a cruise ship. And here's our shower. So that is a quick little tour of our room on board Holland America's Koningsdam.